cute and stealthy, the enigmatic world of the lynx.
Witness the elusive lynx, master of forest shadows and stealth. Behold the lynx's unmatched vision, a spectacular feat of nature. The lynx embodies natural balance, a silent guardian of the night. In solitude the lynx finds strength, a testament to its majestic nature. Discover the miracle of spring's renewal through a lynx family's eyes. Unlock ancient secrets as the lynx reveals wisdom beyond sight. Lynx faces modern challenges, a call for conservation and hope. Explore the world of the lynx, a blend of mystery and revelation.